So this is about the stateless nation Scotland. So Scotland is in Europe and it's part of the United Kingdom. There's about 5 million people there and its origin is, Scotland. So what makes them different is Scotland is very wealthy and they can be their own country because of their wealth. So what groups are trying to gain territory back, which more or less is the Scottish independence group. So the Scottish independence group is a bunch of individuals who pretty much want Scotland to become their own country. Scotland is viewed pretty well, but there's always been conflict between England and Scotland. Like, and they pretty much fight in the past about land, like the Battle of the Two Rivers or Battle of Dunsinane. So, and there's tons and tons of different battles between England and Scotland in the past. So some current events was in 2011, Scottish won the Parliament election, which gave them the right to vote for yeah. So and voting for Scottish independence was Thursday, September 18th, 2014, which anybody in Scotland over 16 was allowed to vote. So sort of an article about Scotland independence is independent Scotland would need to cut defect, says student. What basically is happening in Scotland is spending more than it is raising in taxes. And if it's going to become its own independent country, you would have to cut down how much it spends from 8.3% to 3%. Scotland's tax rates are growing because they're becoming more economically strong, which is good. And if they became their own country, Scottish would have to cut or cut their how much they spend or raise their taxes. So yeah.